The best company in the plumber would have to be...
Servicing commercial, government and industrial.
Ready?
Wait, not yet, not yet.
Yeah, good. Bit of makeup. Hey, here. Don't touch me.
Suck in your stomach. Don't touch your shirt. Don't touch your shirt. Tucked in your pocket there.
DB. Oh, mate. Brush, yeah, that's it. You know the first line.
Thanks, Dad. Oh, I'm doing the wrong way. That's why. Do I have to do the whole thing again? Yeah. That whole thing? Yeah. No! He's already done it once. No, but you gotta take it. Hi, my name is Ben, and I'm...
Hi, my name's Alex. No. What is it?
Hi, my name's Alex, and I'm
But I'm not a tradesman or an...
You can say I'm the
supervisor.
Yeah, one of the supervisors here at our playing group.
Am I doing it or what?